Hello everyone, this is Aarti ma'am. Today we will start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Acid, Bases and Salts. In this video we will study about acids, its types and dilute and concentrated acids. We use a large number of edible substances in our daily life such as lemon, salt, sugar, tamarind and curd. Do they have the same taste? No, they have different tastes. Let us recall taste of a few edible substances. Here you can see the list of some substances and their taste. Lemon juice has sour taste. Orange juice has sour and sweet taste. Curd has sour taste. Grapes sour and sweet. Sugar, it tastes sweet. Common salt is salty in taste. Amla has bitter taste. Unripe mango has sour taste. Baking soda is bitter in taste. Tamarind, that is imli, is sour in taste, and vinegar is also sour in taste. We know that curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. So, the definition of acid is the substances which are sour in taste are called acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids are of two types: organic acid, that is natural acids, and mineral acids. Organic acids, that is natural acids. The acids which are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. Here in this table, we will see the name of some organic acids and their natural resources. So, first one is citric acid. Citric acid we get from citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. Second one is lactic acid. We found lactic acid in curd. Third one is ascorbic acid. Amla and citrus fruits are rich in ascorbic acid. Fourth one is tartaric acid. Tamarind, grapes and unripe mangoes are the rich source of tartaric acid. Next one is acetic acid. We found acetic acid is vinegar. Sixth one is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid we found in spinach, tomatoes and guavas. Seventh one is malic acid. So apples are the rich source of malic acid. Eighth one is amino acid, very important for our body, and it is found in proteins. Ninth one is tannic acid. Tannic acid is found in tea leaves. Next is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid we found in sugarcane juice. Tartaric acid is mixed with baking powder and is used in making cakes and biscuits. Acetic acid is used in pickles and tomato ketchup. Microorganisms cannot survive in acidic environment. So, vinegar, that is acetic acid, is added to packaged food items like sauces, ketchups and pickles to preserve them. Now we will study about mineral acids. The acids prepared from minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. They are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause severe burns to the skin. These acids should be handled with great care. They should never be handled with bare hands or tasted. Each cell in our body contains an acid, the deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. It controls every features of our body, such as our looks, color of our eyes, our height, etc. Proteins that build part of our cells are also made up of amino acids. The fats in our body contains fatty acids. Now we will study the terms dilute and concentrated acids. An acid can be dilute or concentrated depending upon the amount of water present in it. Dilute acid. The acidic solution which has a large quantity of water and a small quantity of acid is called dilute acid. Concentrated acid. The acid solution which has a small quantity of water and a large quantity of acid is called concentrated acid. Concentrated acid can be diluted by dissolving in it a large quantity of water. But always remember that an acid is added to water. Water is never added to an acid because a large amount of heat is released during dilution of an acid.